In this video, you'll be learning how to create a Google Drive shortcut in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate here at the button search bar, type for Drive. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match should appear in this window. And once it's here, please navigate with the option called Open File Location. Click on it, and in that way, you would be able to be navigated to the location being placed to or saved to. So if you have seen a type of shortcut, then good. However, if not, then please make a right click, go with show options, and from here, please choose with create shortcut, and in that way, you would be able to create a Google Drive shortcut here. Okay, like this. Okay, so let me just delete the other one since I have already a shortcut here. Okay, so please make a right click and go with this copy icon. Once you do that, please close the window, and here at the desktop, make a right click again, but this time you need to click on paste icon. In that way, you have just successfully created a Google Drive shortcut here at the Windows 11 desktop. And if you would like to pin it to taskbar, you can make a right click here. Please choose for show more options, click on it, and please wait until you can get a window where it contains a list of the options. Please proceed to pin to taskbar. In that way, you would be able to pin that here as well in the taskbar. Okay? So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. So thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.